So in Apstra, how do you visualize where our current bandwidth is being consumed? What are the top talkers? In the actual top, we have a number of different layers, which we can use to view different types of anomalies. And right at the bottom here, we have one called traffic heat. And I see what Apstra is doing here is we have a probe which is analyzing the switches and collecting data. And that kind of data is used to generate this heat map. Now we have a legend, as we can see it at the right top corner. And that legend states that if a given interface or a switch representing all of the Apstra managed interfaces is generating X amount of traffic, it's going to be color-coded accordingly. And in our setup, most of these switches generating 21 to 40 or 41 to 60%. We have one which is 81 to 100% utilization. And the higher utilization interfaces, we provide this red warning symbol to show that there's at least one link connected to this switch, which is generating greater than 81% traffic. And here you can see a nice little summary, which says, well, collectively, all of the interfaces connected to this switch are generating X amount of traffic or transmitting or receiving X amount of traffic. Now, another view that we can provide is by selecting a server. And let's just select this random one here. We can now use this headroom view to view two different points of the fabric. And if I choose the next one, what I've done is I've selected 2 points in the fabric, and the first point was this generic IP system, which just happened to be a server. I said I want to see all of the paths between one server and another, and here's the other generic IP system, which I selected and just opted to be a server as well. Now, if I mouse over the link, it's a 10 gig link, and the 6.51 gigs free is a concurrent 3.49 gigabits per second at both transmit and receive. We can see things like, are they giants, are they runs, or how many pockets we got with frame check sequence errors. This headroom probe is really used to give you a quick view, so you've got operations that are saying, I've got a problem in this application. The operator of Apstra can use this view to look at all of the piles between each of those servers and have a quick view of the headroom and check to see if there are any errors. You can see it dynamically changing over time for this real-time view. And also we have a time series view as well. So we can start to look at the data that we've collected over time, and that can be aggregated by 1 hour, 2 minutes, 5 minutes accordingly.